Monada. DJ Symphonic. Ubio. Yeah, it's what I got music. Why yo? DJ Symphonic. Mulamo no. Mulamo is everywhere. Hello, Mulamo. What's it? Mulamo, what now? Mulamo, what now?
Foundation you mzama kadijo wa wala gitala mkomana sinaziba
kabathi labona le eyebrows a di flicky nasi foundation ayiro ke mabadi mascara nothing so someone hook me up with the foundation and then they're taking me out Easter club they're taking me out for Christmas you know they are gonna pamper me for Christmas you know so guys Mau kana le borena Aisha. Everyone today is a job and then he's taking me out. That's for control, you know. So it's a sign of good health, eh? So yeah, we should thank him actually. Because wow, he's doing the things that needs to be done. Chaba mezi la mbona e thabile net eyebrow pencil e fedile ngwa o bilo motelele ai ke shumisitse ngwana ka moka e fedile la tsaba cricket guys e fedile e fede so yeah le beni ba botse le tshwanele le nna le tswene fru le thabeni le lora le na di eyebrow pencil a ona taba batho ba Well, it's not ever pencil a little tabalaba can la tabalaba booty. Namilin Kupu yet out to shady out.
How busy?
Oh, I'm a kidna. Little my snacks. Little my snacks. Alina kidna. Little my snacks. 8. That's a real